Welcome back to the Leaders Desk. Today, let's talk about something exciting. The WhatsApp API 2025 pricing update for Saudi Arabia is here, and it's a great news for businesses. This pricing update makes customer communication more affordable and super simple. Do you want to send promotions or offers? It comes under marketing conversation.
It's just 0.17 Saudi Riyal per conversation. That means to say 0.455 USD per conversation.
If you want to send updates like delivery notification or kind of appointment reminders, it comes under utility conversation.
And that too costing only 0.43 Saudi Riyal and 0.0115 USD per conversation.
If your messages are intended to verify customers with OTPs or account confirmation, it comes under utility conversation.
Costing only 0.0598 Saudi Riyals and 0.22 USD per conversation.
Service conversations are part of customer support and queries, and that too with free of cost. Why not experience it for yourself? Try out our WhatsApp API free trial for 14 days and see the result WhatsApp API can bring for your business. Thanks for joining me today at the Leaders Desk. Don't forget to follow us for more insights next week.